I look so tired. But it's all good. So I'm about to walk into Office Depot and look for this printer. It's getting real. I am like, today's June 21st. I am about 75% done with my website. Only thing I have left to do, hopefully we get a printer today. Let's go. Let's find printer. Okay. Oh, printers. All right. So the printer I saw was. Let me check my screenshots. Hold on. Can you tell me if you have a specific printer? Yeah. It's a Canon TS3100. If not that, then something similar. Definitely looking for something wireless. And what was the other thing? It's mainly going to be used for like printing out shipping labels and stuff for business, small business. So I don't need like a huge bulky one.
Well, right now the smallest printer I got in stock would be like this. These HP printers here. You get also a laser. And these pretty much do only printing. No scanning, faxing, anything else. It's like the most basic printer you get.
And this one is wireless?
Yeah.
Okay. Looks pretty good.
Let me see if I have this one. Yeah, I should have at least one right there.
And this is the ink that I need.
Yeah, because this one here, the one down here right now is $1.99.
That's this one?
Yeah, that one is actually this one down here. The one down here, I just don't have it down here right now. But
And this one's only 99? What's the the major difference between those two?
this one cannot print like photo quality prints. That's pretty much it.
Photo quality.
So it's kind of like that one. So you also have like the top feeder. It just has a smaller paper tray. Prints a little bit slower, so it's just like a more basic printer than
Yeah.
used to here.
I think it's worth the extra $30 then. Okay, I'll do that one. And the ink. The ink already.
It is 67.
HP 67. It's my first time getting printers.
Yeah, that's the one.
Oh, awesome.
See, because we just got that printer in, so I'm not sure if I have the ink in stock yet.
Okay, well, I still have time. I have like at least a month.
Yeah, it comes with some ink as well.
Oh, okay, good. Yeah, I mean, I'm not launching until a month from now, but I'm just trying to.
I may have the ink, just maybe in the back still.
Okay.
So I just put on these printers yesterday. So
Okay,
yeah.
thank you. Definitely.
You want to get a protection plan as well? Or is it kind of damage it for 2 years?
How much is that?
I just want to believe it.
I'm actually, can you hold that? I'm gonna go look at like the office chairs really quick and then I'll be like, the printer. This is so exciting. I got my own printer for my own business. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Ooh. I'm looking for a better chair. I did want a planner, a real thick planner that's gonna be, you know, able to do what it's supposed to. label paper. These things are expensive. See, I'm working ahead of myself because I don't want to wait till the last minute to get the stuff that I actually really need, which is the printer, the shipping labels. I couldn't find a journal that I like, so I'm gonna just go look on Amazon right now after I leave here. And yeah, see you when I get in the car. I got my printer. Yes, ma'am. It's all getting so real. This is crazy. So I officially launched today. Not officially. I officially announced on my social media that I'm coming out with a beauty line. Today is July 6th. So I literally have 12 days to be, not even 12 days, I have 10 days because the 2 days prior to me launching, everything has to be completely set up. So I'm giving myself 10 days to completely have everything in order. So right now, I am setting up my printer. I have to get a little table for it so we can go under my desk right here. I want it to go over there. So I gotta go get a little ottoman. I'm probably gonna go on Amazon, nothing too fancy. But I'm setting it up. The printer I decided to go with was the HP Envy 655 or 6055, but so far it's good. I'm just using the app to, the app is showing me how to install everything. So right now it's time to install the ink. So I open the door. These are 2 ink cartridges that came with it. These are HP Ink Ready 67. Let me go ahead and take a picture of this so I know next time. So I'm seeing that, okay, so I'm using the shipping labels because that's what I'm going to be using the printer for anyways. And I'm seeing that I put it in right side up. And it came out printing on the back side of it, which is not the sticky part. So that's not a good thing. And I need to make sure that when I do start printing out the shipping labels, I put it in the printer upside down. So, okay, so this is my testing shipping label. And I connected my printer. Now we're going to print. And wait for it to come out. I thought one side was not supposed to be sticky, but anyways, I'm gonna be peeling this side off. This side is probably just going to just have your inventory, like everything that you bought on it. And you peel that off and then it's gonna go on top of the package like this. And then I just dropped them in the mail, just like that. Super simple. Whew, ciao. So that's what I'm gonna be doing come launch day. Shipping, packaging. So I have to make sure that I have enough of everything. And because I feel like a lot of people are excited, like today I announced it and I had 60 people visit my website. So that's a really good thing. So that means I need to be prepared. Wow, it's so close. I need to be prepared to oversell or to sell out. I'll take it right now. So right now for the shipping packages, these red things, for these I only have, how many came in a pack? I know it was $12.99, but I think I gotta make sure I have enough because the last thing I want to do is to have to wait on Amazon or whatever to get more. So I think I have 25. Let's double check. Yep. So I have 25 pieces of the shipping thing, which I got off of Amazon. I have 25 of those, but I feel like I'm going to need more since 60 people already looked at my website. Granted, not everyone's going to buy the first go around, but I would rather be over prepared than under prepared. So I'm just gonna go ahead and buy another set right now. on just because, again, like I am a type person, like if I'm putting my name on something, I want everything to go as planned, and I just want to make sure that I'm ready to roll. Like I really want to make sure that I'm just really ready to roll. So I'm buying another one of those, and I also need to buy some like of the packaging like frill things. I have some right now, some just plain white ones, which is fine, but I'm gonna need more. But I'm gonna get that from the Dollar Tree because I know for a fact they got some there. You know, the little squiggly things that you put in packages. So I'm gonna get some more of that, and then I need to get some. Actually, let's go ahead and look for a thing right now for it, a little ottoman to put it under the table. All right, let me go back. So yeah, once I find one, I'll let you know. So there's the ottoman. So cute. It's red, it slides, and it has the little gold detailing, and it matches perfectly where I want. Right here, obviously gonna put something in it because you can store things in it. So I'm not gonna put anything like major in here, but like maybe extra something, or maybe my camera. I don't know. It's the amount of space that it has. Very nice. Very beautiful red color. I love the gold detail. And then the top. So yeah, the purpose of this for me was either it was gonna go under my makeup vanity, which probably not. I'm probably gonna keep this out here because I like the pop of red on the flowers and then just the pop of red under. That's the look I was going for. And I'm gonna put my printer to sit on top of it so that it's like on something that's secure and you know. So this is what we look like. We have our cute desk, and then our ottoman printer right there. They're cute. So I'm officially picking up my P.O. box key. Super exciting. Oh my goodness, it's getting so real. It makes 11 days since I am about to launch the brand. Oh my gosh, come on, man, stay. This must be tripping. Anywho, have my IDs and stuff, and yeah, let's go pick up my key for my PO box. For my box, and it's not any of these. So that is done. That's probably one of the last things that I really needed to do. Can't freaking breathe. I have like a few more errands I have to run before launch day. Whew, my babies. Yeah, so that's that. So freaking hot. Girl, why you slamming those? So P.O. box is done. I'm a real business. I have like, oh my god, I'm just a hot mess. I'm gonna get cute, don't worry, tomorrow. Just not right now, tomorrow. This is how I look during the week, period. So I have a few more things I just need to get done, but I don't have enough time. Unboxing time. You already know what time it is. It's unboxing time. So we have another package today. This package actually gave me a really hard time. Literally gave me hell. But it is what it is. I finally got it. So I think I know what this is. This is, I bet you these are the lip liners. I can tell just by the way it sounds in the box. I believe this is going to be the last thing that's going to be added to my site for a little while, just because I need to get those things out of the way first before I add anything else. So right now I have a solid 4 colors, 2 glosses, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's 4, 5, 6, 2 brow pencils, 7, 8, 4 lashes, 12, and then those things. So I have a solid variety of at least 12 to 20 different things on my website right now. Well, I didn't put the makeup mixing palettes on there yet, but I'm gonna put those up at the same time I do the lip liners. They're so cute. Oh my gosh, look at the packaging. I can't wait to show you. I kind of forgot. This one took a little bit of a while compared to everything else. Everything else, after like I sent my payment, I got it within like maybe a week. But this one took at least 2.5 weeks. But I think it's worth it. Alright, so for the lip liners we have, ta-da! So the packaging is black with silver detail on the sides. I didn't choose to name these because it's just extra money that they charge you. They charge you like $50 extra. And because it's just a lip liner, I just decided to keep it simple. So this is number 4. Number 4 is a brownish color. Let me swatch it really quick. The ones I swatch, I keep. I don't open other people's packages. So this is L4. And this thing is so creamy. It's like a burgundy brown color. Oh, these are so creamy. And then this is L9. I think I remember what this one looks like. So this is 9. Yeah, this one's more brighter. So I got these 2 colors. One is more like brownish. One is more red. 2 beautiful lip liners. These will go perfect with any of the lip colors. So I'm gonna record the video of me wearing them. Probably do it on Saturday. So those 2 are gonna stay out. And that's my lip liners. Yay! I hope I sell out on these fast, but we'll see.